The guy in jail, he had a little accident. He didn't do it, it was him. That's why he's in the cage. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. We removed a lot of soil also. Rather with the brush, you're just brushing everything in and agitating, but we got a little agitation, absorption of soil. So just compare. Northeast, southwest. That you are removing soil even with the dry method. A lot of oils and dirt that are trapped in those fibers there. Another great thing about this method, it's dry. Desks can be slid back over to the rug. Now, would I do this normally on every job? No, of course not.